Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English class. In the previous class, we have completed our Unit 2 Reading C VVS Lakshman very special Part 1. Once again, let us revise the lesson. VVS Lakshman shares his experiences and thoughts in his exclusive interview with Sports Star. VVS Lakshman's philosophy is treat success and failure on the same wavelength. He says that he was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association selected him from the under 16 level, and in the same year he was selected for under 19 grade also. His biggest influence are his parents and his entire family. Belonging to a doctor's family also, he chose to become as a cricketer. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one side? So the Sports Star questions to VVS Lakshman, when you look back after your retirement, so what were the reasons for India becoming the number one side? VVS Lakshman, it is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. So he says that it is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation. Meaning of transformation, a marked change in form of nature or appearance. You can see the changes because of the changes which had come in 1 year. So the changes appeared. Mostly the changes, because of the changes only, India became the number one. It all started in early 2000 when Sourav Ganguly became the captain. So who was the captain in the year of 2000? Sourav Ganguly. I feel lucky to have played under Sourav, my first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni. So who were their first captain here? Sourav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni. They all led my example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. So each and every captain was a true performer. Meaning of performer, a person who performs for an audience. A person who performs for audience. They are all a true players and had traits of leadership. How different was Sourav Ganguly as a captain? So how was he different as captain? I must say that the combination of Sourav and coach John Wright was influential, changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. So he says that the combination of Sourav Ganguly, when Sourav Ganguly was the captain and who was their coach, John Wright, was influential, changing the mindset of Indian cricket. So they used to influence, they used to change the mindset of Indian cricket. The influential, meaning of influential, one who has great influence. They influence the cricketers and make them the number one. For it was that we started to do well consistently, especially abroad. So this was one of them. Well, consistently, meaning of consistently, surprising. This was one of surprising which used to change the mindset of Indian cricket. And we had some amazingly talented individuals, meaning of amazingly, in a way that is extremely surprising. They used to do surprisingly talented individuals with the hunger of success, who played with great pride, worked really hard and showed great commitment levels. So they used to work for the great pride. They used to work hard, really work hard and showed commitment levels, meaning of commitment in a way that does not change. So they used to never change and they used to reach their goals. They used to work hard and they used to reach their goals. What has been your funniest incident on the field? What was the funniest incident, very joke incident on the field? Well, with a big smile. So VVS Lakshman with a big smile. When Sourav and I collided while taking a single in an over. So they both, Sourav Ganguly and VVS Lakshman, collided. Meaning of collided, crashed, dashed, crashed both of them in a single over ODI. It is still amusing and embarrassing. Meaning of embarrassing. uncomfortable. It is also uncomfortable for him when I look back as to how it could happen, as to how it had happened. They used to think that they both crashed together. Who are the both? Saurabh and VVS Lakshman both crashed together, and it made them surprisingly. And how it happened, they used to think. Sports star. What was the most disappointing moment of you? What was the disappointing, sad moment for you? VVS. There was nothing like that. So he gave the answer. There was nothing like that. But I would feel terribly disgusted when I dropped a catch. So meaning of disgusted, not liking something. So whenever he used to drop a catch, whenever he used to miss a catch, he would feel very sad there. He doesn't like that type of thing. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and to take a chances float. So he feels very sorry for the bowler because he takes such a great effort for a run and his chances float. Meaning of float, to hit someone and cause them to fall. So to hit someone and to fall them. So he missed the catch and made the ball to fall down. That hurt me the most. So that made him to hurt him. What are your hobbies? Again, I love to spend time with my members of family. So what is his hobby? First of all, to spend time with his members of his family. It gives so much of peace. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals, and he also gives, when he spends with his family, he gets lot of peace, and he also loves reading biographies. Meaning of biographies, the story of a person's life written by somebody else. Biography is a story of somebody written by somebody else, of successful individuals. Meaning of individuals, one person's great personalities, biographies he used to read. For they help us to know how they handle different aspects in life and in sports. By reading the biographies, it makes us to help the different aspects, how to handle different types of aspects. Meaning of aspects, a particular part, a particular time in life and in sport. You are completely family man now. Outside, you are a celebrity, and at home, a normal career father. So sports star says that yes, now he is completely a family man. Outside you are a celebrity, meaning of celebrity, a famous person. So VVS Lakshman is very famous person, and at home a normal caring father. VVS, I am lucky to have such a wonderful well-knit family with a wonderful wife. So he says that he is very lucky to have a wonderful well-knit, meaning of well-knit, strong. Meaning of well-knit, strong family with a wonderful wife. And it's great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. So it's very grateful to him to see the kids, to see its children growing very fastly. It's a real joy to be with them. So he really enjoys the joy to be with them. Sports star. Who are the cricketers who you admire? Meaning of admire, to respect or like something. Whom do you like? Who is your favorite cricketer? VVS Lakshman, in my early days, Azhar. So in his early days, he used to admire Azhar. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. And again, Sachin. And Kapil was a great inspiration too. And Kapil Dev was also a great used to inspire me. What is your favorite cue sign? Meaning of cue sign, cooked in a certain style to feel that you should do something for somebody. So he used to do for somebody. What is his favorite cue sign? Means cooking, a style of cooking. I am a vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. Thai cue signs are my favorite. He says that he is a vegetarian and he loved to taste all sort of vegetarian dishes. So Thai cue signs are my favorite. Thai cue signs are his favorite dishes. What kind of music do you normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? So sports star questions to VVS Lakshman. What kind of music and to whom normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? VVS Lakshman gives the answer. India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers. So he says that in our India we are very great to have so many musicians and singers. And I love listening to Kishore Kumar and our own S.P. Balasubramaniam, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. He says that he loves to listen Kishore Kumar songs, and our own S.P. Balasubramaniam are great singer. He is unfortunately enjoy special personal relationship. He is having a personal relationship also. Sports star. Which TV program do you love to watch? VVS Lakshman. Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail. So the sports star questions are, what is your TV program? Which TV program you love to watch? He says that first, as he is a sports star, he never misses a big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that he loves to watch without fail. And with the family members, I do enjoying watching the singing and dancing competition programs. He also enjoys, he sits with his family and watches the singing and the dancing competition programs. I am amazed at the talent actually. So he is very amazed, surprised to see such a talent children or people in the singing and the dancing competition programs. Sports star. Who was your childhood hero? He asked that, who was your childhood hero? VVS Lakshman. Childhood and current hero. My childhood and my present hero, it is my dad. So who is VVS Lakshman's childhood hero? His dad. I owe everything to him. Meaning of to feel that you should do something for somebody. He feels that he should do something for somebody. He should do something for his father. So who is VVS Lakshman's childhood hero and present hero? His dad. Sports star. What is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? He sports star questions us, what did you miss by being a cricketer? You are a big cricket celebrity. What did you miss by being a big cricket celebrity? VVS. I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. So he gives an excellent answer that he never feels that he is a big cricketer. It is always nice to be with my family. Once again he says that he is very happy to be with his family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. So he says that his wife has all the qualities he is looking for. I have 2 wonderful kids and I am blessed to have such a family. He says that he is having 2 wonderful kids and I am very happy to have such a family. Sports star. Have you given thought to post-retirement plans? Meaning of post-retirement, relating to the time after someone has their job and stopped working because they have reached at a particular age. So after the retirements, after some particular age, they are going to retire the job. So what are your post-retirement plans? VVS Lakshman says that, well, I have a dream to set up a school and an academy. So he says that he has a dream to set up a school and an academy. Meaning of academy, a school for special training. A school for special training. I am confident of releasing this big dream. And he says that he is confident to release his big dream. He wanted to set up a school and an academy. This question, the interview ends with the VVS Lakshman. Let us go through the glossary once again. Meaning of transformation. A marked change in form, nature or appearance. Meaning of performer. A person who performs for an audience. Meaning of influential. One who has great influence. Meaning of amazingly, in a way that is extremely surprising. Meaning of consistently, in a way that does not change. Meaning of commitment, assurance, dedication. Meaning of embarrassing, uncomfortable. Meaning of collide, crash. Meaning of disgusted, not liking something. Meaning of float, to hit someone and cause them to fall. Meaning of biographies, the story of a person's life written by somebody else. Meaning of individuals, one person. Meaning of aspects, a particular part. Meaning of celebrity, a famous person. Meaning of well-knit, strongly. Meaning of admire, to respect or like something. Meaning of cuisine, a style of cooking, food cooked in a certain style. Meaning of vow, to feel that you should do something for somebody. Meaning of post-retirement, relating to the time after someone has their job and stopped working because they have reached at a particular age. Meaning of academy, a school for special training. Coming to the comprehension, second question. What role did Lakshman play in making India #1 Test cricket team? So what role did Lakshman play in making India #1 Test cricket team? The person who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with the willow for 16 long years in Test cricket was VVS Lakshman. So isn't it he was the willow for 16 long years in the Test cricket. The 37-year-old star batsman who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team worked very hard and treated success and failure in same wavelength to stand as the best. So his only philosophy is treat success and failure on the same wavelength. So this made him this helped India to become the #1 Test team. Now it's your home assignment, children. Read the given interview from the lesson VVS Lakshman, very, very special. And now choose the following questions. First question. VVS Lakshman is lucky. Why is he lucky? Because he became a cricketer, to be a celebrity, to have a happy life, to have a wonderful, well-knit family with a wonderful wife. Why was he lucky? Because VVS Lakshman is very, very lucky because he says that he has a wonderful, well-knit family with a wonderful wife. Second question. It's a great feeling to see. What is his great feeling to see? What is VVS Lakshman's great feeling? Option A, the batsmen grow up so fast. Option B, the parents grow up so fast. Option C, the kids grow up so fast. Option D, the audience grow up so fast. So what was the answer there? His answer, his great feeling was his kids. The kids grown up, the kids grow up so fast was his great feeling. Third question. It's a real joy to be with them. In the above sentence, who does them refer to? So who does them refer to here? It's really joyful to be with them. So who are they? Option A, kids. B, parents. C, wife. D, kids and wife. He says that kids and wife. It's very happy to be with them. Fourth question. The role model of VVS Lakshman is. He specially says that who is his role model? Option A, Sachin. Option B, Azhar. Option C, Kapil. And option D, Saurabh. So who is his role model, children? Yes, Sachin Tendulkar is his role model. VVS Lakshman was inspired by and his role model was Sachin Tendulkar, and again he is inspired by whom? Option A, Sachin. B, Azhar. C, Kapil. D, Saurabh. Yes, he is inspired by Kapil Dev. Sixth question. In the field of music, VVS Lakshman has a close relationship with. Option A, P. Susila. Option B, Kishore Kumar. C, S. P. Balasubramaniam. S. P. Shailaja. So who is he is having a close relationship? He is having with S. P. Balasubramaniam. Seventh question. VVS Lakshman favorite cuisine. So what is his favorite cuisine? Option A, Africa cuisine. Option B, Thai cuisine. Option D, Indian cuisine. And option D, Chinese cuisine. What is his favorite dish there? Yes, it's Thai cuisine. Option B. Eighth question. VVS Lakshman childhood hero is? Who is his childhood hero? One and only childhood hero. A. His father. B. S.P. Balasubramaniam. C. Kapil. D. Sachin. So one and only he says that his father is his childhood hero. Ninth question. VVS Lakshman present hero is? Now childhood hero is his father. Coming to the present hero. Who is the present hero of VVS Lakshman? Option A. Kapil. Option B. Sachin. Option C. His father. Option D. Kohli. So VVS Lakshman in the lesson itself, he is straightforward. He gives the answer. His childhood and present hero is his father. So C is the given answer. 10th question. The dream of VVS Lakshman is? What was his dream there? What was his dream? His final question in the lesson. To set up a school. To set up a school and a hospital. To set up a school and an academy. To set up an academy. So finally, in the 4 options, what is the correct answer? What was the dream of VVS Lakshman? Yes, option C is the correct answer. To set up a school and an academy. My dear children, write the given glossary, question answer and home assignment and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.